Gadget lovers, welcome to Gadget World. You will see in this two amazing prank gadgets. After that you will see awesome drones which are so good in their features. You can buy all these gadgets from Amazon easily. If you are new on the channel, subscribe and also like video. Let's start the video with this amazing 2-in-1 drone. This drone has awesome and fabulous features which you must like. Friends, it has both land and fly mode. Its propellers are fully protected. It has also 360-degree motion and also stable in air. Guys, it can one-click takeoff and landing mode. It has cool and awesome lighting inside it. It is made of high-stiffness material and easy to handle it. Its shape is also very awesome and versatile. You can easily assemble it and disassemble it, and with remote control feature. It also with modular and long-lasting battery capacity. It is durable and mini in size. Guys, it is not only for adults, children can also handle it easily and fly this plane. Here is today's prank toy, which is an RC snake, but not just an ordinary one. The build of this snake is superb. Its looks is realistic, but even more than that, its movement is realistic. That is the way it moves forward, crawling fast. It looks exactly like a real snake and moves naturally like a real one. Snake moves in the same way in its body. It has a wave-like motion, and suddenly, if someone sees it, he will definitely get scared and will say that. Where did it come from? You will also get a small remote to control it. Along with this, on whom will you want to use it? Whom will you want to scare? Tell me by commenting in below. Friends, if you are having difficulty in inflating balloons at a children's party or any other celebration, then let's make this task easy with this electric balloon pump. With this pump, you can easily inflate a large number of balloons very fast without any effort and in very less time. You can simply inflate this pump. There are nozzles on both sides of the pump. Plug the balloons in them and then turn on the nozzles. It will instantly inflate them in seconds, meaning you can inflate 2 balloons at once. Overall, this one is a must-have gadget for parties. If you are looking for budget RGB lights to enhance the looks of your gaming setup even more, then these lights will be great, right? There are many different modes and colors in these, right? There are many colors and modes in these. You can easily change them from its remote, but the most amazing feature is the music sync, which means that, when you play a song in your PC speakers, or in your smartphone or in any other speaker, then their sound will be synced. These 2 RGB bars will glow in sync with the beats, so you will get a kind of cool light show on the music. Now let me show you 2 cool costumes, friends, the first of which is for Marvel fans and especially for Hulk fans. This costume will turn you into a green monster. After wearing it, you will not be able to move your hands much, but yes, you will easily get this full body costume. You can even wear it on your face. There is also a mask to wear, and Hulk's purple torn pants are also there in it. It is muscular and looks quite. It looks interesting. It is perfect for kids. And as I said, there are going to be 2 costumes, so the second one, this is a robot costume in which many LEDs are already integrated. Friends, this costume is divided into many parts, only then it has a robotic look, and although this is not from any movie, I have not seen such a robot in any movie. If you have seen it, then tell me by commenting below. This is a sci-fi costume from outer space. You definitely think that out of these 2 costumes, which one did you find more powerful? Let me know by commenting. We will move ahead on our next gadget, which is this car LED signs. Friends, this car LED signs is very much liked by car owners. You will be able to upgrade your car a little more. You can do this with these LED lights, which are installed on the car's rear window from inside. These lights are controlled by an app. You can display anything from animation to text. You just need to go to your phone to open their app. Select the animation or create it yourself, the way you want it, and then apply it. These are very crisp. They are very bright, so they are clearly visible during the day as well as at night. You can speak anything or send a message to the drivers of the vehicles from a long distance through these LED signs. you can do this without stopping the vehicle. Now let's see another awesome and compact drone which is very versatile in terms of flying, and you can fly it outdoors because its flying skills. It is very accurate, plus a lot of LEDs are integrated in its body so that apart from day, if you want, you can fly it at night as well. Totally, it will be perfectly visible to you due to these LEDs. 2 LEDs are on the front side, and the remaining 4 are attached to its propellers, and these are color changing LEDs. You will be able to fully control this drone and fly with these LEDs remote, friends. If while flying it, suddenly a tree or wall or any other object comes in front of it, then it will stop automatically due to obstacle avoidance feature. It will not collide with it due to obstacle avoidance feature. It will stop automatically. This is a cool keychain fidget gadget. It is basically like a part of keyboard. It has 4 keys on which no thing is written, as you can see, but when you press these keys then it is not like keyboard, but a click sound will come which will be very satisfying to hear. You can attach it with your bike or car keys as a keychain, so whenever you are very stressed or sitting free, then by pressing its keys, you can keep your hands busy along with this. Its button clicks will also reduce your stress. Now here is today's second funny prank gadget, which is even more powerful and funny than the first one. This is a fart machine which has many fart sounds. These sounds are pre-recorded and you can hear them. If you can play it with this remote, then like suppose your friend is sitting in your house, then you have to secretly keep this machine somewhere near him so that he does not see it. Then go away and press the buttons on the remote. It will be such a great prank with him that you will really enjoy it. The range of its remote is 15 meters, and once it also makes you hear a dirty sound. And guys, now let's see such a 2-in-1 gadget that you can use in the entire summer season. You will find this is a portable fan, and because this is a 2-in-1 gadget, so its second feature is that you can attach this fan to a power bank by clipping it to your waist. It will keep blowing air to your face and upper body. It will not let you feel too hot. You can wear it on your neck with the help of its strap. It will be rechargeable, and talking about air speed, it is very high and go on long distance. If we talk about the size, then it is not very much, but for one feather, it is good enough. It does blow air, especially for outdoor adventures, on trips where there is no source of electricity. It is very useful for you. Well, this is a luxury watch, and when you look from the front you can see its interior structure, gears, everything good, basically a classy watch. Transparent design has been used in this watch, is completely waterproof, i.e. you can put water on the watch or put the watch in water. There is no effect on it in both situations. It will be shiny because it has been given a shiny finish. This watch can look very good with formal outfits. Friends, now it is your turn to like the video. If you not still like the video, like it now, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to put it on notification call. Friends, meet in another awesome video with more fabulous gadgets. Take care yourself and enjoy. Bye.